Hey, it's Patrick, and today let's talk about Motion Pro's clutch spring compression tool. Now, Motion Pro's been around since the mid-'80s, and they've become a staple in garages and dealerships across the country, myself included. Now, this compression tool is made for Harley-Davidson Big Twins 90 to 97 and Sportsters 91 all the way up to present. It's gonna set you back $70, but in my opinion, it is $70 well spent. If you've ever done a clutch job on any of those bikes we talked about, any of the Big Twins from 1997 or any of these Sportsters, you know they have a diaphragm spring on there with a big C-clip behind it. And the only way to get that off is to compress that spring. And so you could be in there with a pry bar or a big screwdriver or some sort of weird clamp setup. It's a good way to like put a chip in your clutch basket. This bolts right on to that clutch setup, spins down on there, and through mechanical pressure, it compresses that spring and allows you to pop that clip right off there. So you could do the clutch job on those Harleys without this, but in my opinion, it's not worth doing without it. Go ahead and factor the $70 into your cost of the clutch replacement and just have a much better day than wrestling that clutch without this tool right here. It depends on the bike what clutch you're putting in there, but this makes the install very, very easy, and actually using this tool is very, very easy. It's very intuitive where to put it. There are instructions that come with it, but as soon as you open that clutch, you're gonna know where to put this thing. If you have any other questions, go ahead and click on the info tab on your desktop or mobile device. That's going to take you to the product detail page where you can read other riders' reviews and more specs about this tool. If you still have questions, feel free to reach out to our customer service team. They would love to talk to you about what works best for you, your motorcycle budget, and riding style. I am Patrick. Thank you for watching. Go work on those motorcycles.